In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a power steering return line hose assembly on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the cap on the reservoir. I'm going to use a fluid extractor to extract any extra old fluid from the reservoir. Reaching straight down, we're going to grab the bottom clamp for the return line hose. I'm going to put a rag under this line, so if any fluid drops, the rag will catch it. And pull the line off of the hose. Reaching on top of the subframe, we're going to remove the 10mm bolt for the power steering line. Remove the bolt. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to pinch the clamp. Pull it back. Pull the hose off of the line. There's one more 10mm bolt for the power steering return line. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Remove the bolt and remove the line. Swap the clamp from the old hose to the new one. Swap these clamps. Install the line into the vehicle. Get the bolts started for the brackets. Do the same thing in the rear if you have a rear bracket. Snug the bracket bolts down. Install the hose onto the line. Squeeze the clamp. Pull it back. Install the soft line onto the metal line. Pinch the clamp, slide it down, and return it to its original position. Remove the lid off the reservoir. Using the proper power steering fluid, we're going to fill the power steering reservoir. I'm going to get my reservoir to the max line, and then I'm going to go inside of the car or to the side if the car is jacked up and move the wheels back and forth lock to lock with the car off. We're going to do this until the reservoir drops. Once it drops, we'll refill it and continue that process a few more times until our reservoir does not drop in fluid. We're going to make sure our reservoir is at the cold max line. And install the cap on the reservoir.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.